Let us take few more questions, MCQ questions in software engineering. Quality management, the first topic. First question is quality management in software engineering is also known as what? Assurance, software quality assurance, SQA, SQM, SQI, SQA, and SQM. So the answer is SQA, software quality assurance. So quality management is also known as quality uh, management. So quality management is also called software quality assurance, which serves as an umbrella activity that is applied throughout the software processes, quality management or software quality assurance. Quality can also be looked at in terms of user satisfaction, which includes the following. The answer is D. It should be a compliant product. The good quality output, and the delivery is within budget and schedule. All these correspond to the quality of product. So this focuses on how well the implementation follows the design and how well the resulting system meets its requirement. Next is inspections and testing are what kinds of quality cost? Inspections and testing. These are options for you. The answer is appraisal. Inspection, equipment, calibration, maintenance, testing, appraisal, cost. These are all cost in quality management. Next question is according to Pareto's principle. X% defect can be traced to Y% of all uh, causes. What are the values of X and Y? The answer is C, 80-20. This is Pareto principle is also known as 80-20 rule. So it states that for many events, roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes only. What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma. These are the options for you. Can you answer one of these? It is the most widely used strategy for statistical quality assurance, and the Six Sigma refers to the six standard deviation. Standard deviation, is from mathematics. So it refers to six standard deviation, and it is most widely used strategy for statistical quality assurance. So the Six Sigma uses the data and statistical analysis to measure and improve companies' operational performance. Which of the following is not a core step of Six Sigma? These four. Which is not a core step of Six Sigma? The answer is control. So it is an additional step added to the existing process and can be done in parallel. But definition, measurement, and analysis, these are the core steps of Six Sigma. Next is non-conformance to software requirement is known as. Non-conformance to software requirement is known as what? These are the options. The answer is software failure. Because you are given a valid requirement, all software failures can be traced to design or implementation problem. So non-conformance to software requirement is subjected or is indicated as software failure. Software safety is equivalent to software reliability. Safety and reliability, are they equal? The answer is false. They are two different terms, though they are related. But software reliability uses statistical analysis. Software reliability is the degree or the probability. Okay, reliability and availability, they both are probability. So they uses the statistical analysis to determine the likelihood that a software failure will occur. However, the failure may not necessarily result in a hazard or a mishap or a catastrophe. But still, this is the likelihood which reliability gives that a software failure will occur. Misinterpretation of customer communication is a sample of possible cause defects. Misinterpretation of customer communication is a sample of possible cause defects. The answer is true. A communication gap or a translation gap between the client and the developer often leads to the software defects. What kind of quality cost is incurred when an error is detected in a product prior to its shipment? What is the kind of quality cost? The cost is internal. This include the rework, repair, and failure mode analysis. So it is an internal failure. The degree to which design specification are followed during manufacturing is defined as. The answer is quality of conformance. This focuses on how well the implementation follows the design and how well the resulting system meets its requirement. Next question is quality of design encompasses requirements and specifications of the system. Quality of design encompasses Requirements and specifications of the system, true or false? The answer is true. Quality of design encompasses the requirement and specification of the system. The characteristics that designers specify for an item are covered in the quality of design. According to ISO 9001, inspection and testing come under which management responsibility? These are the four options. The answer is process control, because ISO 9001 is a process oriented approach. It wants to standardize, or if you do the process properly, it says that the product is supposed to have a quality, but it never talks about the product. It talks about the process control. Next is ISO 9001 and CMM, capability maturity model. CMM stands for, what is the option? I just spoke about that. The capability maturity model. The answer is D. For software describes the principles and practices underlying software process maturity and is intended to help software organization improve the maturity of the software processes in terms of an evolutionary path from ad hoc chaotic process to mature disciplined software processes. The ISO 9000 series of standards is a program that can be used for external quality assurance purposes. ISO 9000 series of standard. External quality assurance purposes. This is false. ISO 9000 series of standard is a set of documents. According to ISO 9001, the causes of non-conforming product should be what? It should be either eliminated or identified. And you can identify first and then you can eliminate it. So ISO 9001 requires that the use of or the causes of non-conforming product to be identified. In the audit, ISO 9001, the auditor audits and find out the non-conformation. Potential causes of non-conforming product, they are eliminated. Now the next is the SCO policy in CMM means. What is the ECO policy? These are the options for you. The answer is C. This is the commitment to perform. So CMM has a certain policy practices covered under .co policy. What is this .co policy? This is in CMM .co policy, the policy practices in commitment to perform. The next is ISO 9001 is not concerned with the dash of quality records. What are these? The answer is verification. It is not concerned with the verification of quality records. The practices defining the quality records to be maintained in the CMM are distributed throughout the key process areas in the various activities performed practices. Okay. Which of the following is not a maturity level in CMM? It is this IRDMO, initial, repeatable, and we have defined, managed, and optimized. So which do you do not find in here? The answer is managed, because in this the answer, I'll just speak the answer. Let us see first. The CMM is organized into 5 maturity level. First is initial, repeatable, IR, repeatable, D, M, and O, optimize. So in this IRDMO, we don't have design, so answer will be A. I am changing the answer because repeatable, managed, and optimizing all are there. Design is not there. Initial, repeatable, define, manage, and optimize. So I'm just changing the answer. Please make it A. Okay, the next one is in CMM, the life cycle activities of requirement analysis, design, code, and test are described describing where in CMM. The life cycle activities of analysis, design, code, test are they are defined in software product engineering. So in CMM planning, these activities is described in software project planning. So however, the life cycle activities of requirement analysis and design, code, and test are described in this software product engineering. This is not the option, so we went with the software product engineering. So the life cycle activities of requirements analysis, design, code, and test are described in software product engineering. Which of the following requires design control measures such as holding and recording design reviews and qualification test? CMM, ISO 9001, ISO 9003, none of them mentioned. The answer is C. This ISO 9003 states that the supplier should carry out reviews to ensure that the requirements are met and design method are correctly carried out. Next, the CMM emphasizes what? These are the options for you. Both A and B, that means the continuous process improvement, CMM, and also the need to record information. So CMM emphasizes the need to record information for later use in the process and also the continuous improvement of the processes. Next is dash states where appropriate, adequate statistical analysis or techniques are identified and used to verify the acceptability of process capability and product characteristics. Is it CMM or any other? The answer is ISO 9001 actually, because it states that where appropriate adequate statistical analysis are identified and used to verify the acceptability of process capability, because the question is about the process, and when we are talking about process, we are talking about ISO and product characteristics. Now the next topic is software quality assurance. Which of the following is not included in failure cost? The answer is D, because failure costs are those that would disappear if no defects appear before shipping a product to customers. So none of them. Which requirements are the foundation from which quality is measured? Answer would be B. Lack of conformance to requirement is lack of quality. So which requirement are the foundation of which quality is measured? Software quality. Which of the following is not a SQA plan for a project? Software quality assurance plan. The answer is B. Amount of technical work. Because in SQA plan, software quality assurance plan, you will have evaluations to be performed, audits and review to be performed, documents to be procured by the SQA group. Next question is degree to which design specifications are followed in manufacturing the product is called what? Degree to which design specifications are followed in manufacturing the product is? The answer is quality of conformance. Quality of conformance is the degree to which design specifications are followed in manufacturing the product. Which of the following is not included in external cost or failure cost? These are the options for you. The answer is, of course, the external failure costs are associated with the defects found after the product has been shipped to the customer. So testing is the answer. Which of the following is not an appraisal cost in SQA? Appraisal cost in SQA. The answer is quality planning. It is associated with prevention cost, quality planning. So it is not an appraisal cost. Who identifies documents, verifies that corrections have been made to the software? Who does that? The answer is Software Quality Assurance Group. The primary objective of formal technical reviews is to find dash during the process so that they do not become defects after release of the software. What would be the answer? The primary objective of formal technical reviews, or FTR. The answer is errors. Of course, we are doing it to find the errors because error leads to the faults. What is not included in prevention cost? What are not included in the prevention cost? The answer would be D. Equipment calibration and maintenance. Equipment calibration and maintenance, the cost of quality, includes all costs incurred in the pursuit of quality or in performing quality related activities. So, equipment calibration and maintenance, they are not included in the prevention costs. Next is software quality assurance. SQA consists of auditing and reporting functions of management. Yes, SQA is concerned with the auditing and reporting functions of management. Now the next topic is software reliability models. Software reliability models. Which one is not a software quality model? Can you answer this? The answer is ISO 9000. It is a software certification. It's not a model, but it is a software certification. While the Meccal, Boehm, or ISO 9126, they all are software quality model. How many levels are there present in CMM? IRDMO. So there are 5 in all: initial, repeatable, defined, manage, and optimizing. Which levels of CMM is process management? Can you answer this? The answer is optimizing. It is characteristic of processes at this level that the focus is on continuously improving process performance through both incremental and innovative technological changes or improvements. The next question is in ISO 9126. time behavior and resource utilization are part of. They're part of efficiency, a set of attributes that bear on the relationship between the level of performance of the software and the amount of resources used under stated conditions. Which of the following is not a probabilistic model? We have four options. Answer is health state software metric, because in this is a metric. It says about the number of operands and operators and then compute the value. The metric is computed like this. So health state software metric is actually a deterministic model, not a probabilistic model. Software reliability is defined with respect to time or any other thing. The answer is time. This is software reliability is the probability of the software working properly or error-free working of the software for a duration of time. We are speaking of time under certain environment, under a given environment. Failure in time or FIT is another way of reporting what? This is MTBF. So FIT reports the number of expected failures per 1 billion hours of operation for a device. Okay, this term is used particularly by the semiconductor industry, but is also used by the component manufacturers. Failure in time. MTTF stand for mean time to failure. So answer would be mean time to failure. Mean time to repair is the time needed to repair a failed hardware module. Is it correct? Yes. In an operational environment, repair generally means replacing a failed hardware part. Thus, hardware MTTR could be reviewed as a mean time to replace a failed hardware module. Next is IMC Networks is a leading DAS certified manufacturer of optical company and LAN WAN connectivity solution for enterprise telecommunication and service provider applications. What is the answer? The answer is telco company. So founded in 1988, over 1 million products are installed worldwide. So IMC Networks offers a wide range of fiber media and mode converters for a variety of applications. So we have covered a few more topics today and we'll be taking more in the later session. Thank you so much.